planning a trip. And we're gonna go to America because we always wanted to see all of YouTubers. Even Lee Ash, imagine we saw her.
Onto an airplane. There's so much people here. Oh wait. Okay, let's
We're
go.
going to Bloxburg right now. We're in Adopt Me.
Someone sent us a message to go to America to visit YouTubers, so we're actually very excited.
Yeah.
Come on, there's a plane over here.
Oh yeah, it's a plane over here. Okay, wait, huh?
Wait, it's fine now.
Yeah. Okay, I don't care though.
Don't think anyone's gonna be coming out here. That's weird.
Okay. Yeah. And why is anyone knowing? Why is no one in the plane?
Maybe it's just for us to.
Maybe the flight is private.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah, that was actually really cool.
I think the other person that sent us a message paid us, but the question is, how did they get our phone number?
Yeah. Oh, I'm G6.
So I'm all the way here at the back.
You are 14. Wait. Please. Oh, I'm almost at the front. Where is 6?
It's going to be a nice, exciting trip. I know it.
G. Wait. Where's G? Oh, there.
This is the captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 4812. We are currently flying an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. Looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the plane.
Okay.
That's cool. Let's look here at the back.
Okay.
Look at our phone here. That's nice.
Oh, in case we get in trouble and then we have to call someone. There's a little bit of seats here.
Do that. Wait for the workers or something.
Yeah.
They get up food so they can sit down on the plane.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the first class. Whoa, they're so lucky. They have such a cool place.
Imagine I'm first class. Oh, we need to go get. No. Okay, now we have to go back to our seats. Oh no. With you. Yeah. Okay. Whew.
That was close.
That was so close.
So we found our seat because we could have died if we didn't come in time. Nope. Okay. We already read that. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation.
Pooperation?
Cooperation.
You said pooperation.
I said cooperation.
Oh. Oops.
Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Let's go have sandwiches.
Ooh, I love mayonnaise.
I don't know if I'm allowed to have mayo. I never had mayo before. And sometimes it gets weird when you have mayo, so I don't know.
I'm not sure because it's my favorite.
But I think I might get sick, but I really want to eat it, but I think I might. I don't have mayo. Why am I baggage quick? I don't feel so good.
Are you okay?
No, I need my luggage. I'm allergic to mayo.
What? Why didn't you tell me? I love mayo though. There's your luggage. Why didn't you tell me?
I need to try to reach. Got it.
Okay. Whew, that was close.
Thank you for finding my luggage.
No problem.
It's fun. Okay, I'll be back. I just want to take my medicine quick.
Okay. Guys, my best friend, she nearly died.
Yes, I inform you, we have reached a stable altitude. It will be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Ooh. We get it YouTube.
Oh.
I think I want to stand in front of the seat. It seems cool there.
Yeah.
There's
Okay.
no one here, so
I'm
no one will
I'm
be
gonna
in
sit
the
down and relax.
I kind of want to stand here.
Okay.
I don't know why. I just feel like it.
Okay.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
Okay.
Legs. What's
I'm
happening?
stretching my leg.
You lost energy. Hey,
I'm
what's the guy doing here?
I'm stretching. What is that?
No,
Who is that?
no, it's not.
Who is that? Dot. Huh? But who is that? He's a black man with red eyes.
With a weird
You want to
hand.
down, guys?
Yeah. You will not survive. Huh?
Nah, they will kill me. Just shoot.
Snakes.
Just shoot.
Oh my god, are those
Shooting.
snakes?
And they will flipping kill me. They in the house.
Snakes.
Yo, he killed me.
Snakes.
Ah. Oh yeah.
Yo, he
Anyway,
killed me.
snakes, do you want to
Yo, he
eat
shot
my
me.
card?
Because he knew that.
Not the time, Ari.
Here you go.
This is not the good time.
No, only one.
Guys,
He's
There's
there's another one. That's a bot.
What? Oh.
go to the bathroom. They can't get in there. Wait. They can get under the
Yo,
sink.
guys, why is number
Why are they
one
so
far
dumb?
from us?
I have no clue. It's gonna splash water on my face.
Energy.
Don't judge. I need to make a pool.
Okay, don't make a pool on here. Gross.
Yo, guys. That guy
That was
killed me.
scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening.
I need to drink some water.
Perhaps tap water, that's not good for you.
Yeah.
Okay, I won't. I'll just watch it over my face just like you did. It looks.
You know, snakes are still out there. The guys are on the thing.
I'm not sure. Why are their windows so dark?
I think it's nighttime though.
I
Yeah,
think
it is
so.
nighttime.
It's late.
Very late.
This was supposed to be only a 2-hour flight. Because we live in somewhere.
And snakes are gone. Thank gosh. Oh, thank goodness.
The reason why, guys, the reason why it's taking long to get to America is that we live in South Africa, so that's quite long.
No, I died so early.
Yeah, we live in South Africa.
Your attention, passengers.
No, and
I
was right there by him, man.
am back.
But he came out to shoot me because he knew he was gonna die.
The good news is the power is back up. The bad
Yay!
The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen.
Aww.
Okay, gotta go.
Oh no, I need to go get the face mask.
That was a good mouse.
Okay.
We safe. We good.
Phew, that was close.
The mask will keep you safe until the step is.
Yeah, because of coronavirus. Oh, what happened?
I don't know. It's kind of weird.
What is that on your thing? On your
Oh my
chest?
god, what is this?
Huh? Wait, stay away from me. I don't want it to blow on my face.
What are we going to do?
I don't know. Sis.
Calm down. We find something
Yeah,
sharp to
like
cut
his
the
horse, no?
cable. You might be able to save Kirsten.
I got them.
Cut the red one. Cut red because the light's red.
Yeah. Okay, I'll cut the
I
ring.
fly now, bruh.
Eek,
I
I'm
will cut
scared.
the red cable.
Oh no.
There's
Yay!
enemy in the
Yay!
water.
Yay!
That's so scary. We did it!
Nah, he's probably by the shoreline now.
Ariana.
No problem. I knew I was gonna count on you. Yay!
We're safe.
Phew.
You know what's weird?
What?
I don't know. I just feels like so great. Bit of the crew in a while, you know. We should go look for them. Check if just to check everything. I found they are unconscious. Need to let the captain.
Okay,
Okay.
guys.
Quickly, the captain room.
Guys,
Just
I actually feel a little bit suspicious of this.
Yeah, I don't think this was the trip is really about. I think the creature is what who messaged us.
Yeah.
Connected unknown.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Is anyone okay?
Is that guy that killed me? I wasn't looking. I was hiding in the corner.
What is happening inside?
Yo, what is happening inside?
This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it.
Where's the code? Oh yes, I know. I think I know.
I think it's on this side because I never seen a code.
Where?
Oh yeah,
Oh, where?
I found the code.
How did you find it so easily?
Up on the side.
I never seen it like that.
Oh.
And then over there I saw the code. Okay, let's open the door.
Oh, what is that? Is that the thing for the... Do you know what? Do you like my dance moves? No, really. Do you like my dance moves? No, really. Do you like my dance moves?
You're not. I brought you here.
You didn't brought me here. I brought you here to show me your dance. I want to show you my dance moves, and you're not responding. You are talking to my friend. You don't like my dance moves, do you?
Now it's time to die.
Do you like my dance moves?
So,
Do you like my dance moves? Huh? Tell me, you can't just disappear like me on there, huh? You can't do that. You can't do that. You want to respond to me? You like my dance moves? Are you too shy to answer? Huh? He's too shy to answer.
maybe, I don't
It's like,
know. The captain is unconscious.
what's happening to me?
The plane is falling.
The plane is falling. What are we supposed to do?
No, Captain, wake up!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
We have to flick everything.
Okay.
There's all these. Let me have a minute.
Come on, I can press the right one, can't I?
I don't want to die. I'm too young to die.
We're only, cousin's only 8. Come on, you can't do this to us.
Difference.
Eek. I think I found it.
You found it.
It was this one over here. This button. Wait. Let me just tap it. It was this button.
The plane.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank goodness, Ariana. By the way, I'm not 8, I'm 9.
Yeah.
It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already, sane.
Me too.
This was the most... I never want to go on a plane when someone asks us to. I think we should rather plan it before.
And what?
All we need to do is find the emergency phone. Oh. Yes, Mama? No. Quickly away, please.
Oops, sorry about that. Little microphone. Hello?
We need help. He's unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time.
Cousin, wait.
It's very okay.
Wait. Cousin! Over here! No, cousin, over here! Cousin, over here! Over here!
It's okay. Wait. Where?
Over here, look. How are you speaking to her if she's over here?
I think there's another one.
Oh,
Like at the airport, maybe?
maybe. Maybe she's the one who delivers food at the airport, like, at the restaurants in the airport.
Maybe she's the airport crew, so she works at the airport, not the airplane.
Okay.
Find someone to sit in the co-pilot's seat beside the captain. Maybe one of us have to. I don't know.
Okay. Let's just check the code. When we go into
I remember flying this before when I was younger. Okay, everyone, I got this.
you are sitting over here, not there.
It's fine, I got this. Don't need to worry.
Eek!
Hell no. Oh no, it is back.
You can finally
Next
check if you like my dance moves. Do you like my dance moves?
Humans are funny.
You can finally check my dance moves. You like them?
Your destiny has already been written.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say your dance moves are beautiful.
Lost Dawn, beauty go 1, 2, 3. Crash plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. Hell no. I want to go home. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. Your humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. How do you know? You don't know the future. Wah-ha-ha-ha-ha. He changed his law.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, he's gone now.
He said it's not the last time we see him. What did he mean?
What do you mean?
Cares. Let's get home now. I'm about to throw up.
Party.
I mean it. We did it.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. I hope you see this. I hope you like this video and subscribe to me, because why
Sorry.
not? And subscribe to.
Because my mom was asking me a question, so yeah, sorry about that.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do the part 2 of this soon. So I hope you catch that one. Bye.